I'd like to show you how to make a simple WordPress website, and I'm going to assume that you've already read through the information in Moodle about WordPress and that you've already created an account. And so I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my account and click on My Blogs to see a list of my blogs. And this is a blog that I just created. It doesn't have any content in it. If you'd like, you could create a new one just to experiment, or you could use one that you've already worked with. So far this has a home and it has about, and so if I want to, I could go ahead and create a new post and that'll put it on this home page. And so I'm just going to call this my first post. And then I'll just click on the publish button. Now if I click on the name of my blog, then it will show what my web page looks like. And by default, WordPress is going to set up your home page to be your blog. And then on the About page, you could go ahead and just set it up to be about your website. Now if you want to, you could add another page. You can do that in a couple of places. If you scroll over the name of your site and go to New, you can add a page there. You could also go to your dashboard and then go to Pages and then add a new page there. Notice that you can also copy a page. So if you've got one set up the way you like it, then you could copy that. I'm going to go ahead and add a new page, and I'm just going to call this one home page, and I'll just spell it out. And I can scroll down and see the options. Once I've got it set up the way that I like, I can click Publish. And if I want to, I could save a draft and preview it before I publish it. Once I publish it, the world can see it. So let me go ahead and add a new page now, and I'll just call this one Blogs. And I'll publish that. And then I'll add a few new pages. Page 2, and let's call this one Pirate Babies. And on this one I'll go ahead and add an image. So I can go ahead and find a folder on my desktop and then just drag a file onto the page here. So let's drag my pirate picture. Whoops, I'm on the wrong page. Let me go back to my edit page and then try this again. Okay, there we go. And then I can just insert that into the page. Okay, so let's see what my site looks like now. And I can click on Pirates. And oh, I'm sorry, I need to update before I do that. So now let's try it. I'll go back to Pirates. And so I've got home, I've got about, I've got blogs, I've got homepage, and then I've got the Pirate Babies. And it looks like I never saved that page 2, but if I go back to my dashboard and click on Pages, I should be able to see it here. Now maybe I just never saved it, so I just lost that content that I typed in, but I didn't really type in much, so let's try it again. I'll add a new page, And let's see, I'm going to type in Yoda for my title, add media, and go ahead and add a little picture of Yoda, insert it onto the page, and then I can publish that. So again, let's go back to look and see what the website looks like. So now I've got Pirate Babies, I've got Yoda, I've got home page, I've got blogs and about. Now let's go ahead and set the home page to be the starting page that opens when we go to this URL up here. And the way that I do that is I'm going to go to the dashboard, and under settings and reading I can set what I want the front page to display. So the front page is going to show home page, and then the posts page is going to be my blogs page that I just created. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and save the changes, and then let's see what happens when I go back to look at it. Okay, so now there's my home page. It's a static page, it's not a blog. And then I've got about, which I could go in and edit. I've got blogs, I've got Pirate Babies, and I've got Yoda. So this is a really quick and easy way to make a simple website. There are some other things in the dashboard that you might want to take a look at. And for example, you might want to change your theme. Customizing means that you can change the colors and things, but you have to pay for that. You can add menus if you like. You can experiment with changing the background. Widgets, let's take a look at that really quick. Widgets lets you change what goes into the sidebar. And so basically, if you go down here and you find something that you want to put in the sidebar, you can just drag it, click and drag, and put it into this box here. And if you like, you can experiment with some of these other things and see what WordPress has to offer.